Жамбыл облысының Тұрар Рысқұлов ауданы Құлан ауылының Әлихан Бөкейханов атындағы орта мектебінің ағылшын тілі пәнінің мұғалімі Күнесова Әсел Серіковна. English, Grade A. Today's theme is entertainment and media, television. Learning objectives for today's lesson are: use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a range of general topics and some curricular topics. Ask more complex questions to get information about a growing range of general topics and some curricular topics. Lesson objectives. Students should learn about media and define its differences. Be able to distinguish verb to be in past form. Make the sentences related with media using was and were. First of all, watch the video about the media. In this video, we will talk about the media. So what is media? Media is the different channels or ways in which news, entertainment, marketing messages and other information is spread. In the past, the word media was considered as plural noun. It was plural because it's not just referred to one way that information is spread. It refers to several different ways. In this case, we would say, what are media? Media are everywhere, because verb are follows plural nouns. But instead we said, what is media? Media is everywhere. Over time, the way that the media is used has changed. Media still means many different ways in which information is spread, but now it acts as singular noun. That is why we use the third-person singular verb is after media. This is true for other words in English too, such as data or agenda. There are two types of media. It's traditional media and social media. Traditional media includes newspapers, radio, magazines, television, flyers, and billboards. And social media refers to any website or technologies that allow individuals users to create or share information with a specific audience. Other examples of social media are Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or other online discussion boards or forums. Now learn the new words: broadcast, participants, viewers, and verb remote control. Dear students, please open your students' books on page 32 and look at the exercise 1. You must study the verbs in blue in the TIWI quiz. Put them in the correct order. You must divide the given verbs into 3 columns, such as equipment, people, and on TV. Let's check the answers. And today we are talking about the verb to be. We use the verb to be in the past form as was and were. So was and were are the forms of verb to be in the past tense. We use was with singular nouns and were with plural. And now look at the exercise 5 on page 33. You must complete the sentences with was and were. Remember that we use was with singular noun and were with plural. Let's check the answers. And here we have some works for your individual study. You must do the exercise 6 and 7. Now let's play the game and check what have you learned today. You have given 5 questions. Question number 1. Media refers to the different ways of spreading information. For example, newspapers, television shows, and YouTube videos are all types of media. Choose the correct answers. Have you chosen? Let's check the answer. Question number 2. Newspapers are an example of social media, shows, I don't know, traditional media. Have you chosen one? Let's check it. Question number 3. Twitter is an example of social media, shows, I don't know, traditional media. Choose the one. Have you chosen? Let's check it. Yes, Twitter is an example of social media, like Facebook, YouTube channel. Question number 4. Choose the correct answer. There, a new show on TV yesterday. A is, B was, C were, D are. Let's check the correct answer. It is B. And the last question for today, you must choose the correct verb for this sentence. There terrible situations on that show. A is, B was, C were, D are. Yes, let's check the answer. It is were. And now let's check our results. If you gain 500 points, you should revise the lesson from the beginning. And if you gain 1,500 points, you should study hard. If you gain 3,500 points, you are on the right way. And if you gain 6,500 points, you can hit the bingo. If you gain all the points and answer all the questions right, you are nearly a millionaire. And on the end of the lesson, let's summarize what we have learned today. We were talking about the media, and we have learned that there are two types of media, traditional media and social media. Also, we have learned where to be in the past form. I hope you enjoyed today's session. You did very well. See you next lesson. Goodbye.